Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify OS version and kernel updates on your server, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify the OS version on your server, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in using your preferred terminal application. Once logged in, type the command to check the OS version. For Ubuntu or Debian systems, enter lsb_elisa. This command provides detailed information about the OS version. For CentOS or Red Hat systems, use the command cat/etc/Red Hat release. This will display the specific version of the operating system. Next, verify the kernel version currently running on your server. To do this, enter the command unamr. This command outputs the kernel version number. For additional kernel details, type unamr. This provides comprehensive information about the kernel and system architecture. Now, let's check for any available kernel updates. For Ubuntu or Debian, use the command sudo apt update. This updates the package lists for upgrades. To check for available upgrades, run apt list upgradable. Look for any kernel packages listed in the output. For CentOS or Red Hat, start by entering sudo yum check update. This will check for the latest updates, including kernel packages. Observe the output for any updates related to the kernel. If you wish to install any updates, use sudo apt upgrade for Ubuntu or sudo yum update for CentOS. Make sure to regularly check for updates to maintain server security. Finally, always consider rebooting your server after installing kernel updates. This ensures that the new kernel is loaded correctly. Following these steps ensures that your server is running the latest OS and kernel versions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.